us develop healthy eating habits. Earlier, I sent you the questions regarding the lesson, and I think you all have written the answers of given questions. Today, I am going to discuss the lesson. You all learned in previous years a healthy diet is required to grow, get energy and stay healthy. Food not only eases hunger but also give us satisfaction too. It is not enough only getting healthy meal. Water is also an essential component of our body. Pure water is colorless, odorless liquid which doesn't have extremely visible pollutants. According to the World Health Organization, water with a pH value 6.6 to 7 is suitable for drinking. Do you know why water is necessary for us? It is necessary for us. One is to control our body temperature. Second one, to remove waste matter from the body. Third one, avoid dehydration. Fourth one, to properly maintain the digestive, circulatory, excretory and absorption process in the body. These all are the uses of water in our body. An ordinary person requires 1.5 to 2 liters of water every day. If we consider it from glasses, it should be 7 to 8 glasses per day. Our body gets water not only in the form of pure drinking water but also from other sources. Do you know how body gets water? Body gets water from fruits and vegetables we eat. By drinking kin coconut, as fruit juice, as tea, coffee and various kinds of soft drinks, as water. Now we can discuss about food pyramid. If you know, tell me, what is the food pyramid? A food pyramid or diet pyramid. We can tell food pyramid as diet pyramid. It is a pyramid-shaped diagram representing the optimal number of servings to be taken each day from various groups of food to maintain a healthy body. In a food pyramid, we can discuss from bottom to top. In the bottom, it has food items which contain carbohydrate such as bread, rice, yams, wheat, grains, etc. Then it should contain food items which has vitamins and mineral. As examples for vitamin and mineral, fruits and vegetables. Next step, it contains food item which has proteins. As example, fish, meat, liver, eggs, cereals, they have proteins. Next step, it contains milk and milk products. On the top of the pyramid, which contains food items which have fats and oil. When we consider about food pyramid, we can understand we should take much food items which contain carbohydrates and less food items which contains fats and oil to maintain a healthy body. That is why from the bottom to top the food pyramid should be like a triangle. Now I think you all understood what is the food pyramid. Now I think it is very easy to write the answers of given questions. Next day I will discuss about the food. Thank you.